Alright, if you have an air coat on your washing machine of F21, I have the fix. There's a filter underneath this that you need to take out and take out of it whatever is blocking up the drain, the water from draining. Oftentimes, you'll see it's, at least for us, about 5 years ago I did it, baby sucks mainly, and I have a sneaking suspicion that some of these may finally find their match again, their long lost love. So let's take a look down here. Take this panel off and there'll be a little drain right here if I remember correctly. You just pop it off like that, pull it out, and take out what is ever in there, whatever gross and nastiness. Didn't grab the right torques. Alright, so this actually takes a T20, or you could use a regular nut. Can't reach it. This is what I was talking about. Let's see if I take that off. Oh yeah, you're gonna want to do something with the water. Luckily we have a just gonna drain right into there, so no worries if it gets a mess everywhere. Move my tools really fast here. Oh. Look at that. I thought there was gonna be more actually. Ooh, we have a bracelet this time. Look at that. Oh, I don't think that's a bracelet actually. That's disgusting. That's not a bracelet. We do have a sock. Is it a match? Not a match. Dang. No soulmate for you. As you can see, there's water everywhere, so very important that you have a plan of attack for that. Alright, let's go ahead and put it back together. There's another sock. There is another sock in there. You know, we need some needle nose pliers for that guy. He really wants to get out. Maybe I should. I think I'm gonna check that tube back here. That'll be a good idea. See if I could just feel it. Let's see if there's anything in there. Oh yeah, I think there's stuff in there. So the water drains out of the washing machine through here and through here. Wait. No, not a match. Dang. Okay, now that I've ruined my mic, I'm just gonna go ahead and continue working here. Let's see if I can get anything else out of there. else is in there. So if you can see in there, there's a white, almost translucent plastic ball in there. Pretty certain that's just some type of ball valve and not a ball that's made its way. I don't think a ball possibly could do that, but I'm figuring this out as we go, so people who have done this before are probably like, ah, you idiot, just put it on first and then slip it over. Yes, I know that now. All right, get up there. 'You good to me? Alright, now that that thing's on, just gonna put this bad boy back in there. Almost forgot about my flashlight. Three baby socks down. They still don't have a match. But hey, we have three more. We're out of clothes. What are those called? Clothes clippers. Clothes clippers. All right, let's go ahead and uncancel this. Oh, I didn't. I don't know how to run this thing. I just know how to fix it. Alright, it appears to be running. That's it. It's pretty straightforward. Get a little bit of messy, a little stinky, kind of gross, but all in all, worth it. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later. If you have an error code of F21 and your Whirlpool washer is not drying, all you need to do is take a Torx wrench and go to the bottom of your washer most of the time. Take this panel off. There's 3 little Torx screws. 1, 2, and 3 over there. Kind of hard to get off. Go to this little secondary, or I guess first filter thing, and check for baby socks. It is likely your problem. Look at that. All you gotta do is that, and it works.